Do you want to know how you can turn off the last seen or online on your WhatsApp? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to 1-2-Step. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can turn off or disable the last seen or online on WhatsApp. Go ahead and open WhatsApp, which is on your phone. Go to settings, click on settings and go to privacy. Now you can see last seen and online. Turn it to nobody and go down. You can see who can see when I'm online. Turn it to same as last seen, and then you can notice that people will not be able to tell when you were last seen or online in WhatsApp. Let me show it to you once again, guys. Open WhatsApp, click on these three dots, go to settings, click on privacy and click on last seen and online. You can see the last seen option. You can turn it to everyone, my contacts, and if you click my contacts accept, you can choose the people who you don't want, and then you can click nobody if you want nobody to see your last seen or online status. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.